For today's Monday makeup lesson, I'm going to show you how to create this look. It's a very achievable look, so let's get started. This look I'm using the Fenty Beauty palette number 5, which are these beautiful peachy tones. Starting with the blending brush, I'm first going to take the light peach matte shade and apply this all over the lid and crease. Just to create a simple wash of color. Taking the next peach shade on the same blending brush, apply this into the crease of the eye. Try to keep your hand high. This will prevent you from blending up too far and keep the blend nice and low. For the next step, I'm taking a flat brush and that reddy peachy tone and applying this deep into the crease of the eye. Making sure not to blend up too far. You want to make sure this is kind of a low, deep blend. And you should end up with something that looks like this. And then I applied concealer on the inner corner of the lid. Now honestly, I regret doing this. I applied the light peach shade all over the inner third and then the gold. But I wish that I didn't apply the concealer. It wasn't necessary. And if you have dry lids, just skip the concealer. These shadows blend really beautifully anyway. I then applied the dark peach shade on the outer third of the lid. And that's the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this one. Press the like button below and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next Monday. You can also check out some of the other videos on the screen right now. Stay safe and be kind to yourself and others.